Hello and welcome to House of Jackson Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you a little tip about picking threads to quilt your quilts with. Now, before I start quilting my quilts, I say to myself, Jackson, do you want your quilting to stand out or do you want your quilting to blend in? Over here I had a lot of negative space and I wanted my quilting to stand out. So I chose to use Wonderfil 2D, a 50 weight variegated cotton thread. This allowed the quilting to show up more on the negative space and really bring the quilt to life. Yet over here I was quite happy with the quilt top and only wanted to add to it. So I chose to use a thread that would blend in quite nicely with all the fabrics. Here I used Wonderfil Confetti, another 50 weight cotton thread by Wonderfil. But what it allowed me to do is I could quilt this all over design and have it blend in, creating a nice texture and still allow the fabrics in the quilt to shine. Now I hope you found today's Tip Tuesday helpful for picking threads to quilt your next quilt. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all the support for my Tip Tuesdays. I absolutely love doing them. Please share the videos with your friends, tag a friend and help me spread the word and inspire more people. Now if you'd like to get hold of some of the Wonderfil thread featured in today's Tip Tuesday, head to my website www.houseofjackson.com.au and follow me on Facebook and Instagram under House of Jackson. And please tell me what you'd like to see in another Tip Tuesday. And as always, thanks for watching, stay safe, stay inspired and stay stitching.